Hi guys, today we have Volkswagen Passat CC 2012 model. In this one we are going to program a spare key. So first we need to detect the VIN number by automatic function. So for that we are going to turn ignition on. Yeah, the ignition is turned on. Here we're gonna select auto detect. By the way, it will require to connect with the internet. If you don't, Autel will not be able to detect the vehicle. By the way, here we are programming key by detecting the VIN number. We can also program a key by going to expert option and selecting comfort module. So here we did not connect it with the internet, so we're gonna connect and we're gonna press yes to retry. Here we have Passat CC. So we are going to select 2008 to 2017 Passat CC. So we got the VIN information and car information, so we're gonna press yes, and from here control unit, click on EMO comfort module equalizer. Now 46 because I have 46. Then read EMO data ECM. It is important that you keep picture of this EMO equalizer detail, because if anything happens you're gonna require the CS number. And keep in mind, if you have 48 chip, select the 48 chip before, okay, when it asks 46 or 48. Now here it will ask you to turn ignition off and turn ignition on again. So we're gonna first turn it off, then turn it on. Yeah, press OK. I have used the old key to turn ignition on, and here is the new key which is not actually in working condition, and we are programming it. By the way, for EMO information it takes a lot of time, so keep patience. Now as we get our EMO data, it is very important that we take a picture and keep it safe with us, because if anything happens we're gonna require his number. Now click search for 7 byte. In this case we have 46, so it's not required to search 7 byte, but if you have 48 it will require, and it will ask you to take out the key and put it in the programmer, so it can search for 7 byte. So you can see 46 does not require for 7 byte. I'm gonna press OK, then we're gonna make a dealer key. Here we need to put a blank key in the programmer. Press continue. The new key is in the programmer. We need to wait. Keep patience. Oh, it's asking for to unlock the key. Why is that? Because we did not put the blank key, we put the original key. So we're gonna press no. First we take out the key and put the new key in the programmer and press no, and we gonna press again make a dealer key, and this time surely yeah, already blank key is there, so we're gonna press OK, and this time it's gonna surely make a dealer key. Waiting. Yeah, successful. Dealer key is ready to program. Now go to the key learning and take the key, old one, and turn ignition on. it is harder to hold a phone with one hand and using the second hand. So the ignition is on. Press key learning. Number of keys, we're gonna program 2 keys, the older one as well as new one. Now it will erase all keys from the system, and if any case you couldn't able to program a key, you won't able to start the car, so keep this in mind. Now turn ignition off and take out the key. Here I made a mistake. I did not take out the key completely out of the ignition. So if you're programming it, please take out the key completely out of the ignition. Now it's time to put the new key. Take out the first key completely out of the ignition and put the new one. New one, yeah, and press OK. This way you can program a key. Now the both keys are programmed. You can see this is new one and we can start the car nice and clean. So the keys are programmed. Now we are gonna check the remote is working or not, because the older one did not. Lock, unlock, yeah, it's working and we can see the indicators. And now from outside, lock, yeah, it's locked. No, it's not, so press once again. It's locked, yeah, and now unlock, it's unlocked. Also we're gonna check the trunk, it's working or not. In old one nothing was working, just